Dear student friends, this is Dr. Pradeep Devhate, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. In this video lecture, I am going to talk on basicity of amines, especially the alkylamines. Let's discuss it. As per the Lewis concept, the compounds which donates electrons are called as bases. The compounds which donates electrons are called as bases. The basic nature of amines is due to the presence of unshared pair, or we can say lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen atom of amines. Amine molecule donate its electrons present on nitrogen atom to the proton to form substituted ammonium ion. See the reaction. Alkylamine reacts with water, during which water get dissociate to form H positive and OH negative ions, and alkylamine donate its electrons present on nitrogen to proton, that is H positive, to form alkyl substituted ammonium ion. Here aqueous solution of amines, that may be the primary, secondary or tertiary amine, are basic due to the hydroxide ions produced as a result of reaction or the equilibrium shown herewith. Basicity of amines can be measured by base dissociation constant Kb for this above equilibrium or the reaction. Base dissociation constant Kb is equals to concentration of alkyl ammonium ions, that is RNS3 positive, multiplied by concentration of hydroxyl ions, that is OH negative, upon concentration of alkylamine, that is RNH2. It means it is the concentration of products upon the concentration of reactants. As the concentration of water in aqueous solution remains nearly constant, it is omitted from above equation. Now pKb equals to minus log Kb. It means log Kb equals to minus pKb, or Kb equals to antilog of minus pKb. That is Kb equals to 1 upon antilog of pKb. In above equation, Kb is directly proportional to the concentration of ammonium and hydroxyl ion, and pKb is inversely proportional to Kb. That's why larger the Kb value or smaller the pKb value, greater the concentration of OH negative and NH3 positive, that is ammonium ions, and hence the base becomes strong. Larger the Kb value or smaller the pKb value, greater the concentration of OH negative and RNH3 positive ions, and hence the base becomes strong. See the pKb values of some amines given herewith. First one, methylamine, methanamine. pKb value is 3.38. Next, dimethylamine, that is N-methyl methanamine, 3.27. Next one, trimethylamine, also called as NN-dimethyl methanamine, value is 4.22. Ethylamine or ethanamine 3.29. Diethylamine, that is N-ethyl ethanamine, pKb value is 3. Next, triethylamine, also called as N-diethyl ethanamine, value is 3.25. Next one, phenylamine or aniline, or we may call it as benzenamine. For this, pKb value is 9.38. Next to this, benzylamine, also called as phenylmethanamine, 4.70. For N-methylaniline or methylphenylamine, or we can say N-methylbenzenamine, pKb value becomes 9.30. And for N-dimethylanilin, that is diphenylmethylamine or N-dimethylbenzenamine, the value of pKb is 8.92. Similar to this, if we calculate the pKb value for ammonia, it is 4.75. Due to electron donating nature of alkyl groups, that is plus I effect, electron density on nitrogen atom increases, and hence aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia. They are having lesser pKb value than ammonia, whereas aromatic amines are weaker bases than ammonia, and it is due to the electron withdrawing nature of aryl groups, that is minus effect, which decreases the electron density on nitrogen. Aromatic amines have greater pKb value than ammonia. Besides inductive effect, the other effects like solvation, steric hindrance also affect the basic strength of amines, which may vary the pKb value of amines. Let's switch over to the structure basicity relationship of amines. Basicity is related to the structure of amine, and it depends on how easy the formation of cations takes place by accepting a proton from the acid. Amines are more basic if their cation are more stable relative to the amines. Amines are more basic if their cations are more stable relative to the amines. It means more the stability of cations, that is ammonium ions, more is the stability of that amines. See the basicity of alkylamines, that is aliphatic amines. Comparison of basicity of alkylamines with ammonia. In general, aliphatic amines are stronger bases than ammonia, and it can be explained on the basis of inductive effect and effect of substituent in alkyl group. Let's discuss it one by one. First one, inductive effect. The strength of base depends on the availability of a lone pair of electrons on nitrogen atom. More the availability of electrons on nitrogen, more is the strength of that base. To compare the basicity, let's consider the reactions of an alkylamine and ammonia with proton. In first reaction, alkylamine donates its lone pair of electrons to proton to form alkyl ammonium ion, whereas in second, ammonia donates its lone pair of electrons to proton to form ammonium ion. In first reaction, the electron releasing nature of alkyl group increases the electron density at nitrogen by plus I, that is positive inductive effect, and thus makes the unshared electron pair more available for sharing with proton of acid. Also, substituted alkyl ammonium ion formed from alkylamine gets stabilized due to the dispersal of positive charge by plus I effect of alkyl group. But if we consider the second reaction, that is of ammonia, no such things happen. Hence, alkyl amines are stronger bases than the ammonia. Thus, basic nature of aliphatic amines get increased with increase in the number of alkyl groups, that is because of plus I effect of alkyl groups. The order of basicity of amines in gaseous phase is tertiary amines are more basic than secondary. Secondary are more basic than primary, and primary amines are more basic than the ammonia. With increasing number of alkyl groups, basicity increases. This trend of basicity is true only in gaseous phase, but not regular in aqueous phase. In aqueous phase, substituted ammonium cation gets stabilized not only by electron releasing effect of alkyl group, that is plus I effect, but also by solvation with water molecules. With increase in the size of cation, rate of solvation decreases and hence the stability of cation also decreases. With increase in the size of cation, rate of solvation decreases and hence the stability of cation also decreases. Greater the stability of substituted ammonium cation, stronger the basicity of that amine. With increase in the size of alkyl group, steric hindrance to hydrogen bonding increases. Thus, change in the nature of alkyl group results in the change of order of basic strength. In aqueous state, there is significant effect of inductive effect, solvation effect, and steric hindrance of alkyl group, which decides the basic strength of alkylamines. The order of basicity of methyl substituted aliphatic amines in aqueous solution is shown here. Secondary amines are more basic than primary. Primary are more basic than tertiary, and tertiary amines are more basic than ammonia. It means in aqueous solution, methyl substituted secondary amines are strongly basic, whereas methyl substituted tertiary amines are weakly basic. In case of ethyl substituted aliphatic amines, secondary amines are more basic than tertiary. Tertiary are more basic than primary, and primary amines are more basic than ammonia. Let's talk on effect of substituent in alkyl group. If electron withdrawing group is present in alkyl group of amine, it decreases the basicity of amine. It reduces the ability of an alkyl group to increase the electron density on nitrogen present in amine. And hence, electrons are less available for donation to the proton. Or in other words, we can say electron withdrawing group reduces the ability of alkyl groups to disperse the positive charge on nitrogen in ammonium ion. Thus, beta hydroxyethylamine is weaker base than ethylamine. Because in beta hydroxyethylamine, electron withdrawing OH group is present, which reduces the ability of alkyl groups to increase the electron density of nitrogen. Now, see the comparison between their ammonium ions. Here also, electron withdrawing group is present, that is OH group is present in case of beta hydroxy ethyl ammonium ion. It reduces the ability of alkyl groups to disperse the positive charge on nitrogen atom. If electron releasing group is present in alkyl group of amine, it increases the basicity of amine. It enhances the ability of alkyl group to increase the electron density on nitrogen in amine. And hence, electrons are more available for donation to the proton. Thus, beta methoxyethylamine is a stronger base than ethylamine. Here, CH3O, that is methoxy group, is an electron releasing group. Also, electron releasing group enhances the ability of alkyl group to disperse the positive charge on nitrogen present in ammonium ion. We have to keep in mind more the availability of electrons, that is, more the electron density on nitrogen present in amine, more is the basicity of that amine. Electron withdrawing group decreases the basicity, whereas electron donating group increases the basicity of amines. Secondly, more the stability of particular ammonium ion, then more is the basicity of respective amine. Electron releasing group helps in stabilizing the ammonium ion by dispersing positive charge, but not the electron withdrawing group. Carbonyl group adjacent to amino group make it less basic due to resonance and inductive effect. Thus, acetamide is neutral in nature. Resonance effect and inductive effect decreases the electron density on nitrogen. Hence, electrons becomes less available for donation. So, acetamide is neutral in nature. Dear student friends, it's all about the basicity of amines, that is alkylamines. Have a good day. Thank you.